Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting and new ideas. Here are some bedroom wardrobe ideas. Built-in wardrobe ideas, stylish fitted designs that will maximize space in your bedroom. These built-in wardrobe ideas really utilize every square inch, but it's not all function or form. Take inspiration from these stylish built-in wardrobe ideas because your wardrobe aren't just for keeping the clutter at bay. That can be beautiful focal point in your bedroom. We have pulled our favorite looks featuring paneled doors, upholstered door, wallpapered doors, plastered doors. Are you sensing them here? Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And also like my video. But we also cover what's inside the wardrobe, the configurations of hangers to shelves, drawers to cubby holes to help you design a built wardrobe that not only looks stylish in your bedroom but suits you and your lifestyles too and make a work easy for you. From a practical and aesthetical perspective, fitted wardrobe offer the most effective and efficient way to make use of this space within your bedroom. Before exploring wardrobe option, it's worth being clear about your requirements, budgets, and desired style. Explain Rachel Hudson of Shops. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. Also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.